Jai Hind. Dear friends, welcome. Welcome on MGGS Social Science Class 8 Chapter 1 Our India. As you are aware, we all are Indians. We have proud to be Indians, and India is situated in Asia continents. Even we are connected to the rest of the Asia, but still India is called as a subcontinent. Subcontinent in sense India has been divided by a diversion, and diversion created by our physical regions. The physical regions of the geographical regions situated in northern from northwest to northeast. In northwest, it is starting from the Kirthes, Sulemans, and Hindu Kush mountains ranges. It is situated towards the Afghanistan, Pakistan, and it goes to the Hindu Kush, and from Hindu Kush, Himalaya ranges starts, and Himalaya ranges extends from northwest to northeast towards the northeast, then which runs to in the western to the Myanmar. Yama mountain ranges are located in northeast. This is creating a wall which is dividing us from rest of the Asia towards the south. So it is called as the Indian subcontinents, and in subcontinents we have been divided by this wall called the Himalaya ranges, and in the south we have got oceans, Bay of Bengals, and Arabian seas which separate us from the rest of the world. This is the situation where we are reigned. In our this subcontinents, our neighboring countries are there. Our neighboring countries are Pakistan's, Afghanistan's towards our western side, then Nepal, Bhutan in our northern side. From there, we have got our Myanmar, Bangladesh, as well as Sri Lanka in our Indian oceans. Maldives is also situated in Indian oceans, and for your kind information, we have got a SAARC countries, a United Nations part. The SAARC is the South Asian regional countries. This is a group working here. So we are now talking about the Indian subcontinents, and in subcontinents we are separated by a high insurmountable mountain ranges separate the India subcontinents from the rest of the Asia. For your kind information, India is the second largest country as per as population is concerned, and seventh largest country as per as our area is concerned. Right, gentlemen, let us talk about the southern India. Southern India peninsula surrounded by Bay of Bengal subcontinent. In the east, Arabian Sea in the west, and Indian Ocean in the south. This is a peninsula covered by water. Three sides is covered by the water. This is the physical sea regions our India has got, and a vast continuous mass surrounded by water on all our four sides is called continent, while a part of the continent which is complete from geographical, cultural, and environmental point of view is called a subcontinent. Identify the Indian subcontinents from this map. Now look at the map. Here, this is the Asia and Europe creating a continent, but separate continent is created same way as we have got Himalaya creating separate subcontinent. Same way Europe is again dividing by the Ural mountain ranges which is dividing us. Otherwise it is a separate, same land covered by sea. In our eastern side Pacific Oceans, southern side Indian Oceans, and northern side it is Arctic Oceans. We are covered, and Atlantic Ocean is western of the Europe. So this is our continent, and we call it as the Eurasia also. Eurasia. Europe and Asia is the same land which is divided by a mountain range. This is the situation. Was the map we have seen. Now let us talk about the Indian subcontinent. Here in northwestern side, these are the Kirthes, Suleiman and Hindu Kush mountain. From Hindu Kush mountain, Himalaya ranges starts and reaches toward the north east side, and from northeast another Myanmar ranges is there and separate us from the rest of the eastern Asia as well as northern Asia and western Asia, and we call it as the subcontinent. Its geographical position and shape provides the specific monsoon climate to it, and because of this is also we are called as monsoon region. Monsoon creates in the our Indian subcontinent. Why? Because of the winds coming from southwest moves toward the northeast, goes to the Himalaya ranges, raises up, and the height raises up, it starts raining, and start raining which is having a monsoon season. So we are called monsoon region also. The Himalaya ranges in the north and are the helpful for the rainfall in Indian subcontinent. As we have seen, Mawsyngram, a village near Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, is having highest rainfall. From why? Because the winds coming from our southwest side crossing Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean as well as Arabian Seas, crosses and moves towards the northeast, rises to the Himalayas and start rainfalling there. The Himalaya ranges are in north are helpful for rainfall subcontinents and also protect it from the cold Siberian winds. As you are aware that north of us Asia and Eurasia is the Siberia, and there the temperature is minus 40 to 50 degrees also there, and cold wind starts coming from there. Due to that, the cold desert is available there. In any case, in our Leh Ladakh we have got a cold desert where rainfall is lesser. Otherwise all northern side winds are coming due to the Himalayas height, it is not crossing it, and our winds coming with the wind water goes vapors, it goes to the Himalayas and start raining. This is the situation what we are facing. Now after this also there are various benefits of this. Indian subcontinent would have been a vast desert. The rivers originating from mountains have formed vast Ganga, Sindhu, Brahmaputra plains where ancient Indus and Ganga Valley civilization had developed. As you are aware that in our Pakistan and India, western side near the Sindhu river, Indus river, there was a civilization of the Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kalibanga, etc. Means the people used to live near the water resources. Rivers were the main water resources. So